welcome to another one of my videos. Oh, jeez. Just put a little oil in the old bike ski, motorized bicycle. I think I'm gonna go get my hair cut or something. Stretch the legs, record some footage, because the last time I went out, I recorded a great video, ended it with stopping to get some beer, and I hit, boom, you know, stop recording, put my helmet and my GoPro up on the handlebars, and I saw it just started recording. So I didn't record a good video. Birds. I went to NASCAR yesterday. I'm not the biggest, well, I don't want to start out saying that I'm not the biggest fan of NASCAR, but I just went. It's my second race I went to. I don't follow it too closely. I follow Formula One a lot more, but I do appreciate oval racing. It is still very interesting to me. It was good. It was New Hampshire. I'll go around like this. Skirt. It was up in New Hampshire, and we were gonna go up and spend Saturday night, watch the race Sunday, stay Sunday night, come back Monday. But the rain was just looking so bad that we knew that they were going to postpone it, so we didn't even drive up Saturday. And then on Sunday they canceled it, or postponed it to Monday. And me and my dad went up with one of his buddies. We were going to bring the ladies, but because it turned into a weekday, they both had work. It was good, like 30-40% capacity or something like that, probably, because so many people just, you know, couldn't go on Monday now, which is unfortunate, but it was very nice. Traffic wise, we were slick. I made us park at the first parking lot once you entered the track, and yeah, we had like a mile walk, but we got in our car, and within 5 minutes, that's the thing that always kills me about going to those sorts of events, you know. It's not that I don't want to go, it's that I don't want to sit in my car for an hour before I leave the parking lot and then have a 3.5 hour ride home. Did I make a wrong turn? No. Yeah, big well, I don't, big motorsport guy. Not really. I don't know shit about cars really, or bikes, but I do appreciate racing. I love racing. I do my sim racing crap. I like Formula One. I watch a little bit of MotoGP, but again, like, I don't follow it too closely. Like, I know every single driver. I mean, I know who's pretty good and who isn't, but sirs. Okay. Weird day. I thought it was supposed to be like beautiful and sunny. Yesterday was a little hazy. Anyway. What a beautiful day, though, nonetheless. And we're going away next week, so I gotta get a nice stockpile going of vloggy vlogs. I don't know how my dude Ducati NYC does it. He's a silent killer. Just pumps those things out, you know. It's been a few days since I rode, I feel like, and I missed it, but yes, Jetta. I didn't have any coffee today. Slept late. Long day yesterday. Out in the sun. On the road by 6. I think we got home by like, I was home by like 8-ish, but up until midnight. I like never stay up until midnight, dude. Never. And we just didn't set our alarm. That's another thing we typically would do, is set the alarm and get up and blah blah blah. I don't know, I probably get like 6 or 7 hours of sleep a night, which that's all you can ask for. Dodging potholes. Dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge. quiet it looks for 9 a.m. on a Tuesday. It's surprisingly dead. I like that little square though. Why is my nose running? Why is the rum gone? Zoop-a-doo-da-doo. Right as I'm about to put it in neutral. It's always how it goes. It's alright. At least it means we're moving. We're gonna be. Nice little Corvette here. Sir. Coming up here. Oh, can we just get right here in front of the barber shop? Yeah, we can. How about that? How about that? How about that? And we're not in a spot you shouldn't be, I don't think. Nice. Alright, bye world. Damn, this tank looks like shit. Ugh.